The job description of an assembler encompasses the critical responsibility of putting together parts, components, or products in a factory or production environment. Assemblers are vital in various industries, including automotive, electronics, machinery, aerospace, and consumer goods, where precision, speed, and attention to detail are essential to delivering high-quality finished products. Assemblers work either independently or as part of a team on assembly lines or production floors. They often follow technical diagrams, work orders, or blueprints to assemble products in the correct order using hand tools, power tools, or automated machines. Their main objective is to ensure that the final product meets design specifications and quality standards. The nature of an assembler's job varies depending on the industry. For instance, in electronics, assemblers may be tasked with installing delicate circuit boards and microchips, while in automotive manufacturing, the role may involve assembling large mechanical parts such as engines or chassis components. Despite the differences in materials and tools, the underlying purpose remains consistent: to contribute efficiently and accurately to the product creation process. Primary responsibilities of an assembler. Assemblers begin their work by reviewing assembly instructions or technical drawings. This foundational step ensures they understand how the product should be constructed. Understanding instructions accurately is critical to avoid costly errors or product failures. Many assemblers undergo a training period during which they become familiar with specific procedures, tools, and safety practices. A central task for assemblers is to collect and organize parts needed for each project. These components are often arranged in kits or batches, but assemblers must still verify that all required parts are present and in good condition before starting work. Damaged or missing parts must be reported promptly to avoid delays. Assembling items often involves using tools ranging from simple screwdrivers and pliers to more advanced power drills, rivet guns, or soldering equipment. In high-tech manufacturing, assemblers may operate robotic arms or use computer-controlled assembly stations. The work demands manual dexterity, good hand-eye coordination, and the ability to stand or sit for extended periods. Assemblers must pay close attention to detail. They are responsible for aligning components properly, securing parts firmly, and ensuring there are no defects in the final assembly. Quality control is frequently part of the job. Assemblers may be asked to inspect their work or check others' work to maintain standards. Some organizations use checklists or inspection forms to streamline this process. In addition to assembly tasks, workers may be asked to perform basic maintenance on their equipment, clean their workstations, or assist in packaging and labeling finished products. In continuous production environments, assemblers might also contribute to inventory control by noting used materials or alerting supervisors to low stock levels. Timeliness is crucial in the assembler's job description, especially in fast-paced manufacturing settings. Assemblers must meet daily or hourly production targets while maintaining quality. Any delays or errors can disrupt the entire production line and affect shipment deadlines. Essential skills and qualities for the role. Being an effective assembler requires a mix of technical ability and soft skills. First and foremost is manual dexterity. Assemblers need steady hands and the ability to manipulate small or large parts with precision. Many products include tightly fitted components that must be handled delicately but firmly. Reading comprehension is essential, particularly when working with complex technical drawings, wiring diagrams, or schematics. An assembler should be able to follow written and verbal instructions with minimal supervision, especially in environments where production shifts move quickly. Problem solving is another vital skill. Assemblers may encounter parts that don't fit correctly, inconsistent instructions, or mechanical malfunctions. The ability to pause, assess the issue, and either correct it or seek guidance is critical for maintaining workflow. Physical stamina and strength are often needed. Assemblers may lift heavy materials, bend, stoop, or stand for long hours, especially in industrial settings. Good health and a basic level of physical fitness help prevent injuries and reduce fatigue on the job. Communication is equally important. Assemblers must communicate with supervisors, engineers, or quality inspectors to report issues or clarify uncertainties. Clear, respectful dialogue helps minimize errors and fosters a productive work environment. Reliability and attention to detail are traits every employer values in assemblers. Repetitive tasks require focus and consistency, and even a minor oversight can result in defective products. Assemblers who consistently meet expectations are often entrusted with more complex tasks or promoted to supervisory positions. Work environment and challenges. The work environment for assemblers varies based on industry, but it is typically structured, systematic, and safety-oriented. In manufacturing plants, noise levels may be high, and strict safety protocols must be followed, including wearing protective gear such as gloves, goggles, or ear protection. Temperature-controlled cleanrooms may be used in the assembly of electronic or medical devices to prevent contamination. Here, precision is even more critical, and workers often wear full-body protective suits. Shift work is common, including early morning, evening, or overnight shifts, depending on production needs. Overtime may be required during peak production periods. Assemblers must be flexible and willing to adjust to changing schedules or priorities. Stress levels can rise in environments with tight deadlines, high defect penalties, or rapidly changing product designs. Assemblers must maintain their focus and composure, even when under pressure, to ensure the integrity of the product. Midway through this exploration, it's important to reflect that the job description of an assembler is not limited to mechanical tasks. It involves a deep understanding of procedures, a commitment to quality, and the willingness to adapt to evolving production demands. Educational requirements and training. Most assembler roles require a high school diploma or equivalent. While formal education beyond high school is not always mandatory, technical training or vocational courses in manufacturing, electronics, or machinery can enhance job prospects. In some industries, certifications in soldering, blueprint reading, or equipment operation are highly valued. On-the-job training is common, especially for entry-level assemblers. This training covers safety procedures, use of specific tools, interpretation of blueprints, and quality standards. Experienced assemblers may mentor newcomers or participate in cross-training to broaden their skills. In more advanced fields like aerospace or medical device assembly, employers may require specialized training or associate degrees. Familiarity with quality management systems, QMS, ISO standards, or lean manufacturing principles is often a plus. Some organizations also offer professional development programs or apprenticeships that prepare assemblers for advancement into lead roles, quality control, or supervisory positions. Conclusion. The job description of an assembler highlights a role that is central to the success of any manufacturing or production operation. These professionals are the hands that bring product designs to life, ensuring components come together seamlessly to form reliable, high-quality goods. For individuals who enjoy working with their hands, solving mechanical problems, and contributing to tangible outcomes, the role of assembler offers a stable and rewarding career path. Whether in high-volume production lines or precision-focused industries, assemblers play an indispensable role in powering progress and innovation.